So here we have a new streaming application with some fantastic features, including fully working program guide, live TV channels from all over the world that you can enjoy on all of your devices absolutely free. Now this application doesn't require any registration, no usernames, no passwords. I'm not using any VPN in the UK. This application doesn't have any adverts, and as you can see, it has a really nice interface, works great on the Firestick and your Android TV devices, and with the latest update you get access to even more content. So please do take a moment to hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So with all of that being said, let's get started. If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, the latest Firestick, Android and Android TV tips and tricks, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's a small click from you, but it makes a big difference to me. Thank you. Now the application in question is the latest version of rlaxx TV, available directly on the Amazon Play Store and the Google Play Store. But if for whatever reason it's not available in your region, I will show you the step-by-step instructions on how you can get this on all of your Android devices. And here we can just see at the bottom, it was updated on the 9th of December. So just a few days old, but these updates, what they normally bring is more content, bug fixes, more channels, more streaming content, all that you can enjoy absolutely free on all of your devices. Let's open that up. Okay, so we can see the new version has a really nice clean interface. All of the navigation I'm doing with the standard remote control, so no mouse toggle or virtual mouse is needed. And we can see straight away we get taken into a channel. Let me click it to the top and all the way to the right, and let's click on settings. And here, for example, we can confirm if we should get an announcement when new channels are added. Now the great thing about this feature is, as you can imagine with these official applications, they are always adding in new content or new channels. Now in the case of this application, you can actually set it so you'll receive a notification that 5 new channels or 10 new channels have been added. So even if you're not happy with the channels that you see today, it's definitely worthwhile enabling this feature, and that way when any new channels are added to the application, you'll get that notification. So I'm going to leave mine as on. And here, for example, you can select the language. Let's leave this as English. Now if I go back to the top, let's click on program guide, and we now have a fully working program guide for all of these channels, telling you exactly what's on now, what's coming up next. So for example, here we can see on the chef channel, we have the Alliance. Let's click on that. Now, because this is a live TV channel, you can actually click on watch live, or in some cases you can actually rewind the program back to the start. So here I'm just going to click on watch live, give that a second, and we are straight into that live channel. And that's working great. And that really is a fantastic high definition picture. Let's back out of that. You also have a bunch of channels on the bottom. So just as another way for you to access the live content, we can see the channel list at the bottom here with their logos. So here, for example, we can see K-pop if you're interested in that. We also have some cooking channels. If I just try MasterChef Australia, click on that, the channel gets changed and we are straight into that program. And the great thing is, as you can see here, I can actually pause that content. So we are effectively pausing that program. So if you want to pause it because you need to step away, or if you want to rewind it 15 seconds back or 15 seconds ahead, you can do all of that directly from the home screen of this application. So you can see it has some nice features to give it that more cable TV like experience. So we can see lots of different channels, different genres. We have some sports content, drama content, family shows, entertainment channels, lots of different things. Here we can see on this comedy channel, we've got the world's funniest moments. I can click on that. Here, for example, we can see I do get the option to watch this live, the continuation of the program, or I can watch it from the start. Let's click on watch live. Just to show you that it's not just one channel or a few channels, every single thing in this application is working, it's working straight away, and you really can go ahead and enjoy all of the content in here. Now you also have an on-demand section where you can access different channels including the very popular Filmzy, which has lots of different movies and TV shows. We've got crime channel, we've got food sections, we've got some cooking channels. Here you've got the massive film rise. So having access to the content from those applications through this single application really is a fantastic feature of rlaxx TV. Let's just try this racing, as it's on demand, so I can just choose any episode or any show. Let's just go for this one over here. Click on play. And within a couple of seconds, as this is an official application, we are again straight into that content. And that really is the great thing about these official applications. Because they have that backend infrastructure, you really can go ahead and enjoy all of this content buffer free with no stuttering, no lag, and that's working absolutely fine. Let's back out of that. Okay, so to get the latest version of this application on your Amazon devices or Android TVs, just head over to your settings, go down into My Fire TV, and where it says developer options, let's click on that and install unknown apps, and just make sure that downloader is set to on. And this just means that we can download applications through downloader and then install them. Once you've confirmed that, let's now open up downloader, and inside downloader we can make a quick connection to my website, which is just tdoctoruk.com, or you can type in this short code, which is 53402. Let's type that in, or you can just press the play button on your remote. Now when you get to my site, if you head over to the hamburger menu, which is one of the 3 lines, click on that, click on tutorials, and the latest tutorial in the list will be how you can get this updated version of rlaxx TV. So let's open that up, let's scroll down, and here we can see the supported countries for this official application. So I'm in the UK and this application is available directly for me. If you're not in any of the supported regions, then you'll have to use another method to get an IP address from one of these supported regions. As long as you have an IP address from one of these regions, that should work absolutely fine. Let's scroll down. Here we have the step-by-step instructions, and underneath all of that, we'll have the single link to the latest version of this application, which is this one here. So you can click on that, scroll down, and you can click on this green download button, and this will download the latest version directly onto your device. And just before you go, guys, if you don't have a VPN or you're thinking about changing your current VPN, IPVanish are now doing a crazy promotion whereby you can get complete protection for unlimited devices at really fast speeds with confirmed zero data logging at just over $3 a month. So really at that price point, to get total protection, to protect your privacy, to change your IP address, to make sure that nobody can watch what you're doing online, I think it's definitely worthwhile checking out. So please do leave me a comment below and let me know what you think about this updated application, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.